Okay, again, in continuation po kanina po, as you can see here, di ba, for retirement, so tanggalon po nimo ang ordinary shares. Kaya imuha naman siyang i-retire or i-cancel na nimo ang shares. So again, ang ordinary shares or ang mga share capital is always recorded at par. So that's why 4,000 po multiplied by 75 nga par value ng ordinary shares. So naa siya, pila man niya? Ay, mabiyat ang makita ang calculator. So 4,000 times 75, so naa siya 300,000 as the amount to be debited sa ordinary shares. So as you can see, di ba, 400 ang iyahang pagpalit, no? And then 300 ang gi-retire. So na ay loss. Di ba, na siya loss. So 400 siya, then na siya 300. So na siya loss na 100.
100.
Okay po, tama po, no? So, how are we going to divide the loss? Diba, remember, asa ganito sa atong ko, ano to dariya guys ha? Atong gidiscuss na to ganina. Kanay, reminder, if the loss in retirement shall be absorbed by the following accounts.
Sure.
Okay. So, ayan po. So, if meron po siyang loss, again, reminder, if the loss on retirement, it shall be absorbed by the following. So, yung una po is the share premium original issuance. And then, sorry. And the second one po is share premium treasury shares. And the last one is for the retained earnings. So, let's have muna, pag meron bang share premium na original issuance. Ayan. So, as you can see po, asa po ang original issuance diriya guys. So, kani po siya. Ayan. So, as you can see, sulat na nakudaan diriya. Diba na ay 1.5 na share premium or 1.5 million na share premium. And then divided by 50,000 na shares issued. Ito po siya, 50,000 shares issued. So, naa siya ay share premium na original issuance na 30. Okay po? So, 1.5 ang share premium, no? And then, 50 ang shares. Dara po, issued originally. Ito yung shares, number of shares issued. So, nasa per share nga share premium na 30. So, that's why po, if you can see here, we multiply here 4,000 times 30. Okay? So, pila ni siya guys? 4,000 times 30. So, nasa 120. Which is sobra ra po, no? Sobra ra sa katong gipangitan na to kaganina. So that's why automatically 100 it will be charged to share premium original issuance na 100. Okay, balance naman sila, di ba? Debit kay 300 plus 100, so 400. And then credit is 400 man po. So balance man siya, okay na po siya. Okay, so wala na po yung iba kasi na-absorb na lahat your share premium original issuance. So no need to compute for this one and this one. Okay po. Ayan. So that is for the treasury shares. Next one po is yung dividends. So yung favorite po niya na part kasi mahirap-hirap po yung dividends na assignment niya. Ayan. So sa dividends, retained earnings po, the board of director stocks make, okay, ako na lang i-discuss nila guys. So yung dividends po, this is the declaration of it may be sharing ganin nila guys at year-end. Sharing sa mga shareholders at year-end. Kanang iso ni siya sa mga cooperative, no, kana kada year-end mga kina sila dividend declaration sa patronage or patronage refund. So ang term ana dira sa corporation for the sharing of income or profits kay dividends. Okay po. So dividends po ang term ana niya. Okay. So now, dividends can be, it may be, pwede po siya na cash dividends. Okay. So cash ang ginapanghatag sa mga shareholders at year-end po. or di kaya pwede po siya share dividends. So share dividends po ang o shares ang ginapanghatag sa mga shareholder. Pwede gani guys, wala lang gi-mention diri ano kaya mga properties. So I think that will be discussed sa inyo ang higher accounting subject. So ang i-discuss lang po nato diri ang dividends kay ang cash dividends o ang share dividends. So duha lang po ang i-discuss nato diri Okay. So again po, pag cash dividends, it is dividend in cash. So money ang ginapanghatag nila sa company sa mga shareholder or sa ilahang mga members. Okay? So this is the majority of the dividends declared by the corporation, but in declaring the dividends, the company must ensure that they have sufficient appropriate amount of retained earnings and syempre na ay cash available. And ang atual lang i-consider daya guys, especially in terms of dividends, ang kaning three important dates. So what are those three important dates as mentioned here in your module? Una po, date of declaration. So this is the first one po. Second one po is yung date of record. And the third one po is yung date of payment. These are the three important dates relative to the dividends declaration and payments of the following, or are the following. Ayan. So pag date of declaration, this is the date that the company recognizes obligation from dividends. So this is based on, kumbaga, kano saan na-approve sa shareholder ang dividends. So ang tawagan na niya is the date of declaration. Approval of dividends by the shareholder. That's why you debit retained earnings and you credit the liability account or cash dividends payable. Okay po? And then, the next one po is the date of record. Pag mingon tag date of record, mo ni siya ang cut-off for shareholders. So, mo ni siya ang listahan o kisa la to nakalista during this date. Ito po, sila to ang na ay opportunity or right na maka-receive of dividends. Okay po? So, again, ang date of record, the purpose of this one is cut-off. So, cut-off po siya. So, kumbaga, kung isa lang ito nalista during this time period po, they are the one who can receive dividends. And in this case po, lista lang man siya sa name. So, no entry is required or no journal entry. Okay po? Again, wala ni siya journal entry kay lista lang man siya sa mga names of the shareholders who are entitled to receive dividends. Okay po? The next one po is the date of payment. Ayan. So, ang una, date of declaration. Second one is date of record. The third one is yung date of payment. So, ang date of payment, mo na ni siya ang time nga mag-distribute na sila sa ilang dividends. So, this is the date of settling all the liabilities related to dividends of the company, and the entry will be, syempre, magbayad naman sila, you debit cash dividends payable, and you credit cash for the same amount. Okay po, so yan po ha. Again, date of declaration. This is the time in which the board of director authorizes the declaration of dividends. Date of record naman, this is the time for cut-off for the names of the shareholders who are entitled to receive dividends. And no entry is required kasi nga po, listing lang po niya. Lista lang nila ang pangalan. No? And then, date of payment po, this is now the distribution of dividends. Ayan. So like here, for example, the PPJ Corporation declares 2 pesos per share cash dividends for 300,000. Ayan. So, outstanding shares and 20,000 subscribed shares. So, the par value per share is 50 per share at March 1, 2020, recorded of March 20, 2020, and paid on March 10, 2020. Ayan. So, Ano pala itong March 1, March 3, at saka yung April. March 20 at saka yung April 3. So these are the three important dates po. So itong March 1, this is the date of declaration. Ayan. So this is the date of declaration. So na-declare sila ng dividends. And then yung March 20 naman po, this is the date of record. So, isa lang tong mga shareholders nga nalista at this point of time or March 20, 2020 nga cut-off, sila lang ang maka-receive of dividends. And the last one, ang April 10, this is the date of payment or date of payment. Ayan. So this is now the distribution of dividends. So again, March 1 po, this is the date of declaration. March 20, that is the date of record. Ayan po. And April 10, which is the date of payment. So let's have the entries po. First one, journal entry on March 1, 2020. This is the date of declaration. So that's why you debit retained earnings, okay po, by 640, then credit cash dividends payable for 640. Kasi this was the entry kanina, di ba? Ayan, ito. Ito yung pro forma na entry when declaring dividends, cash dividends. Then sa March 20 po, which is the date of record, wala siyang entry kasi this is just the list of or listing of all shareholders who are entitled to receive dividends. Then sa April 10, this is the date of payment. So in which now na-distribute na sila og cash dividends. So you debit cash dividends payable, then credit, syempre nag-distribute naman sila og cash. So that's why you credit cash for 640. Okay, so kanilang tulo yung timan-an po sa cash dividends payable. The three important dates. Okay? Ayan. Let's proceed po sa share dividends. Ito po, ayan. Parang same lang sila po nito. Ayan. Okay. But in this case po, you are to consider first if it is small share dividends or large share dividends. Okay, kasi mag-differ po sa amount if it is small share dividends or large share dividends. So let's have muna what do you mean by share dividends? This is dividends that are distributed to those shareholders that are in a form of shares ng company. So instead na cash ang ilang distribute sa mga owners, ang ilang distribute na lang isang share sa company. Gidungagan nila. Okay po? So in this, the share are to be distributed are the shares of the corporation itself. Ayan. So this does not involve transfer of asset kasi shares manggihapon, capital manggihapon. So thus this increases the total share capital and decreases the retained earnings, which is no effect po sa shareholders' equity. Ayan. Let's have small share dividends. Okay? So ang timanaan lang ninyo po, how to determine if it is small share dividends if it is less than 20% declaration. Kumbaga, ang share dividends nga gi-declare niya is less than 20%, ang kana nga share dividends is small share dividends. Okay? And if it is large share naman, so large share dividends are share dividends that are, this is actually 20% or more. Okay? So, kumbaga, ano kailangan man ako ni siya specify guys kay pag 20% na gyud siya guys, that is large share dividends. Okay ha? Pag 20% automatic large share dividends and more. Okay? Then this one less than 20 sa mga 19.99%, so that is small share dividends. Okay? So again, small share dividends is less than 20%. Then pag large share dividends is 20% or more. Exactly 20% and then above, that is large share dividends. Now the next one, how much is to be recorded? Okay. So, the amount to be recorded is based on the fair market value. Okay? So, nanangot na diri kaganina no kung unsa daw ang i-record diri ang ano naglailahi daw sila. Okay po, so mag-differ po sila sa amount if it is small share kasi sa small share dividends, ang gamito na amount or basis is fair market value. Otherwise, yun nga, unlike with ano pa lang, share dividends or large share dividends. Kasi if it is large share dividends, the amount recorded are based on par value. Okay? Pag large share dividends, 20% or more, par value. If it is small share dividends or less than 20%, fair market value. Okay, let's try. So, illustration, PPJ Corporation declares 15% share dividends. So, ang 15% large share or small share dividends. Siyempre, it is a
Small share.
small share dividends. Tama. So, of a total of 300,000 outstanding shares. And then, given the following, the par value, then the fair market value or fair value of the shares. Okay. Then, it is to be recorded March 20, 2020, no? And the payment is on April 10, 2020. So, syempre, 3 dates lang gihapon, guys. First one is on March 1, which is date of declaration. So, date on declaration, guys, so you just debit retained earnings. Then, you credit share dividends distributable and share premium. So, mura siya, kato ganin nag-issue og shares. Instead of using cash, ang i-credit niya kay retained earnings, kay dividends man siya. So, dividends actually decreases retained earnings. So, if that's the case po, how much is to be recorded or amount to be debited sa retained earnings? Diba? Kung sa ganito itong gingawa ka ganina gani, pag small share dividends, it is at fair market value.
Fair market value.
So, that's why, pila ganito gani, 300,000 ka shares multiplied by 15%. 55 ni siya. Boss, asa mo itong kuan diri yan? Ayan. And then, multiplied by fair value and mean na 55. Okay, so let's try. Makita mo na calculate, no? Okay, makita. So, pila ganito ang iyang ano gani guys? Ang iyang percentage, 15%, no? Pila gani ang shares outstanding? 300. So, 300 multiplied by 0.15. So, mao ni ang i-distribute nila nga shares. Additional shares sa mga shareholder. So, ang kani 45 karon, so ako ni isda na himon ako ni siyang 45. Ay na lang para makita ninyo. 45 multiplied by unsa gito atong gamiton gani as basis for the recorded amount fair market value which is at 55. Right? Fair market value. So, times 55 po siya and this is 2475. Okay? Eh, syempre, share distributable is mura ni siya ordinary shares, no? But since this is subject for distribution pa lang, so ang tawag niya ka share distributable. And in this one, it is always recorded at par value. Same pa rin sa ordinary share at par value. So, pila ganin ni kuan niya ato rewind and 4,000 manino, andili 45, no? 45 ni siya. 45,000 shares multiplied by pila gani ang par value gani niya guys. Par value is at 50. So sige ka na 45 kani lang sa 30, 300 pala times 15% so na siya 45.
Sir, pwede na maka-interchange ang sa retained earnings?
Ay, unsa interchange?
Kanang maka-interchange ang interchange giuna ang kuan sir 55 times 300k times 15%.
Ay okay lang kay multiply man siya. Diba dili man na siya mag-matter sa PEMDAS. Okay lang. Okay lang yun siya. Okay? So, kani siya, 45, no? Then, multiply by 50, sina siya 250. Tama ba? So, nagladuhan na dyan ko diri sa itong module, no? 45 times 50, sina siya, tama, 2250. And then, syempre, ang excess sa duha, 2475 minus 2250, it will be charged to share or it will be credited to share premium. Okay po. So, tama ba niya siya? 2475 minus 2250. So, nasa 225 as the share premium. Now, next one, after date of declaration, next one is the date of record. Siyempre, date of record, again and again, this is just a listing, no? Listing lang niya. So, no journal entry. Even ganing guys, other books mentioned ang imuhang buhaton na diri daw is memorandum entry. Memo lang ka, mura na kag naglista og mga noisy no ana lang. So memorandum entry lang po siya. And then the next one is ang date of payment. So this is now date of distribution. Kaya wala may payment jud diri exactly. Na-distribute lang ka. So you just debit, share distributable. In this case, bakit siya naka-yellow? Kasi this is correction po, no? So, nag-raise ka ganina sa kuhaan eh. Guys, paka-change lang ko ha. This is 2250.
640 ko na rin na.
Oh, natin, naglibog ng estudyante ka ganina. Libog mo pupud siya. Tingnan no, na mo na sa 640. Kasi i-copy na siguro niya ibabaw. I-copy na gano'n niya guys. No? Okay. So, kaniya, 2250 niya siya, which is kani siya. Okay? So, gikan sa share distributable, and then, nag-issue naman siya diri of shares, kaya distribute naman niya. So, nahimo siyang ordinary shares. 2250. Okay po? Again po ha, di niya sa 640, basta i-copy lang ni Sir diri ang 640. This is 2250 po. And large share dividends. Okay po, again, this one. Pag sinabi natin large share dividends, it has a share dividends na 20% or more. So pag 20% exactly, more than, and even more than, it is large share dividends and the amount to be recorded is at par value. Okay? So like for example, PPG Corporation declares 25% share dividend. So 25% more than 20% or more, so therefore large share dividends. For a total of 300,000 outstanding shares. Ayan. So the par of the total 300,000 shares, the par value 50, same pa rin din data din niya, 55 and recorded March 20 and paid on April 10. Okay, let's have the first one. The journal entry at the date of declaration. So as you can see po, okay, yun sa niya diriya guys. So 300,000 times 25% or 0.25. Yes po, di mo
Times par value.
Par value.
Par value.
So na siya, tama ba nga 3,750? Naduduhan na dyan ko diriyan.
Tama, sir.
Tama na nino? Tinan ako na yung double check. Sige na lang para makita ninyo.
Tama, sir.
Times 0.25 times 50. So, 3,750. So, 3,750 and then 3,750. So, as you can see, wala siya share premium kanina, no? Unlike with this one, kasi this is recorded at fair value. Pero pag large share dividends, the retained earnings is recorded at par value. Then the date of record, no entry. This is just memorandum entry or no journal entry. And the last one is the distribution of the share distributable. So, diri na tama siya diri no? Okay kayo. So share distributable, which is based on this one. So 3,750, then i-credit nimo ang ordinary shares for 3,750. Wala na. Okay. So we're done. Any question po sa shares? Sa inyo lang timan, Andrea, ha?
Mag-distribute lang sila, sir. Value ba sa large na siya, sir, no?
Okay. Par man ang gingon sa standard. Okay? So, timan ilan ninyo ha, ang mga accounting diri, so ito mga accounting diri gani, ang katong issuean sa shares, review tagamay, kani, issuance of share capital, ayan no, if it is at par, above par, no par with stated value, And subscriptions, yung kanina bagong-bago lang. And ano pa ba? If it is delinquent, what will happen if it is delinquent? Siyempre, the highest bidder is ang katong smallest number of shares. And then, treasury stocks. Ayan. Repurchase, then reissuance, and retirement. So, repurchase, reissuance, retirement. Ano pa ba? Retained earnings and dividends. So, cash dividends and share dividends. Then, don't forget the 3 dates, no? The date of declaration, the date of record, and the date of payment.
Record. Payment.
Okay po. So, any question po? Baka may question po kayo. Wala po. Sige, let's proceed sa sound ko man niya. Nalibog ko. Nakapasa na ba mo sa assignment, guys, tanan?
Wala pa po, sir.
Sige. Di na lang ako mag-discuss sa assignment. Sige na. Iwasan na lang sa ninyo, di katong wala pa. Makusin siya, masadaw. Pero si Mark ba ano, kay naning kamot ba ni si Mark? Ma-pressure ko saya ha. Sige. Pasa lang sa ninyo karon. And then, ano pa ba? Saan pa man akong timaon na yan? Saan pa man? Magatag lang o quiz
Sir,
na
Sir, nanay pointers ang exam, sir.
Pointers from the beginning. Mo tong pointers ni ma'am. From the sa syllabus. Gusto nga sa syllabus sa inyo ha.
Sir, pwede ka items sa exam, sir.
Wala pa man naging si ma'am. Pero kung sing gihapon last year or last year ba? Or last year no? Last year man tong second batch sa senior high. Yes po. So same nang gihapon last year, 30-30 po. 30 ka theory, then 30 ka problem. Multiple choice tanan. Isa pa po. Wala na? Sure na?
Wala kayo plus pointer.
Plus points na naman mo, di ba? Okay naman to.
Sir, plus na payment. Plus points ang permit, sir.
Ano yung permit? Makasensya ang pugo sa akuan. Wala pa.
Sa abot na ang attendance, no?
Sir, naghana ang bonus.
Ang bonus. Sige, class. Kasi itong exam ganin ninyo ganin katong gingon ako. Kuan to, no? Gingon ni ma'am.
Tuesday, mag-ingon sir.
Tuesday to, no? Sige, Tuesday morning. Tong gingon ni ma'am. Para sa among GC, Nag-plotting na mga gusto si ma'am the Tuesday. Sa pagka-Monday, guys, pwede mag-quiz ta, guys, from the beginning until end. Murag mag-dry run ta ba? Okay lang
Recorded
sa
na, sir.
Mag-review ka sir.
Kato, ako mag-quiz ta una from the beginning to end sa Monday. Ano ba mga exam Monday?
Wala na sir. Wala na.
So, ang kulang na lang yung 111 na lang na. This is usually mamagin madugay gid sa una pa.
Sir, pasto na unta, sir.
Gani, no? Gilang. So, morning po, 8:30 to 11:30. Magkita mo din yung akong screen, no? Tatanaw mo sa akong mga chat. Dapat i-cut na ko to. Ito. So, morning ta, 8:30 to 11:30 po. Faculty in charge. Si Ma'am Chris man yun. Wala lagi nabutang. Sino po may question po?
Sir, sa final exam po, provided pa po ang solution.
Kana kay mag-ask ako kay ma'am kung saan lang kuanan. Mag-chat lang ako sa GC.
Pero
Thank you,
sa kuan
sir.
sir.
Po, MCQ tanan. Mo to kung kuan. Oh, MCQ tanan as usual. Duha pa lang na plot no, dagan biya kay accounting karon. Sa pa yung question, guys.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes po, Telly. Yes, mama mo. Nawala ka, mama mo.
Kanang sa kato ganing project, sir. Pwede ra sir kanang video, or siya video tutorial, sir, but tapos audio lang na mo ang makita ang madungog po. Tapos with video na siya, sir, pero wala mi sa
Pwede na, kana. Para sa itong ginabuhat, diri karon magklase ta. Okay lang na, yan na.
Oo.
So, pwede po guys, unsa inyo hang ginagamit nga, nakatry na ba mo mag-record ng video? Na ako'y, ang mo ginagamit dati, kung mag-record mo kay screen share. Kaning FreeCam. Nakatry man yung FreeCam. Makita man ninyo, no?
Wala pa may katry.
Oh, kani kay kung ano siya free, yes, from nowhere free, no? Ma-download lang siya free sa net, and then no need for internet po sa pwede mo mag-record bis kung wala net. So kani like for example, ako ni i-play. So nana siya portion diri ako ni i-maximize. Assuming mag-record ko no. So nga na mag-start na ako. 3 2 1. Hello guys, good morning po sa vlog. Ayan po. So as you can see, you do have here 3 important dates. Then date of declaration, date of record, date of payment. Then if you're done, skip lang. Then just wait for po. Dala mo, ano yung output guys? So, ano yung mga ginabuhat nga pag mag-record mi daan using the FreeCam. Tamo kung mag-kuan mo ani. Isa pa guys. Napa mo dila guys?
Napa, sir.
Napa, sir.
Sir, sa kanang FreeCam, sir. Pwede na hindi makita o sir na madung ang importante lang na lang audio, sir.
Oh, okay ra ko ana. Wala man namin ginabuhat sa uban subject. Okay lang po.
So, pwede ba man mag-assignment, sir, no?
Oh, man na lang unya. 11 wala man ako gi-discuss sa answer.
So, kung wala na 5 plus, sir.
Ha? Ana, okay lang. Sige lang.
Sige, sir. Thank you.
Kuya Mark, wala di ka na ako maklaro, Kuya Mark.
Dito na ako ma-revise ang nasabit ko, sir. Kay karon mag-focus din.
Di ko ka na ako maklaro niyo si Kuya Mark.
Dili, sir.
Dili, sir. Po.
Ay, chat na lang, Kuya Mark. Asa mo?
Okay na, sir.
Ay, okay na. Nalood na lang, sige Mark. Di ay. Ay, pang-load din ako yung Boss Mark.
Pwede ito ma-revise ang nasubmit, sir.
Sige, maramang gyapon sa PM ramang gyapon nimo sa kuha.
Sige, sir. Salamat, sir.
Nice. Thank you, sir.
Yung wala na may question yun, final.
Sir.
Wala na. Sige, sige. So thank you for your time and effort for attending the class and even for all throughout the duration of the semester. No? So by after this one, you will be waiting for your final exam and later on your final or your grade na po for the ECC 111. So thank you po very much po. Goodbye po and God bless. Bye guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you po.